Hey guys, so today we're gonna be flying, or well, tonight it's because it's literally 8:30, and yeah.
It's 8:30. Why does it look like day?
Because it's summer. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be flying this 5-year-old foam plane.
Now that makes
Yeah.
that would make history for the flightest.
Honestly,
Oh, red hornet.
holy cow. There's a bird right there. And Prince is trying to get it. Birdie! It was on Mom's car.
It was. It's on that radio.
It's an antenna to access the radio. Yeah.
Look, it's
Chins.
now on Dad's car. Birdie, birdie.
Bird.
Hey Jimmy, remember, I can't really trust you with the plane. You're the one who got it stuck up there.
Yeah, yesterday I got it stuck. We had to get it down with a shoe. We accidentally threw it just right. It landed on top instead of hitting it. But as a result, we got it down.
Hey, look at this. Yo, Jay, watch this thing.
Oh, bird.
Birdie! They're here. Here. Come right here.
Birdie right there. Yeah, show.
Huh?
Birdie.
Why does it sound so synth-wavy? Why does it sound so synth-wavy?
No clue.
Oh no, so we're actually also flying this plane and looking at those.
All right, so yeah.
To our outdoor cat who comes occasionally. Wow!
Yeah.
That was
Actually, it was, yeah, he lives in that house over there. Well, he lives at that house. Oh, it's on the roof. And yeah, but yesterday he came here, and yeah, he comes here every now and then. And yeah, I remember that first time I met him, and yeah,
Hey Jenny,
and yeah, roll the clip. Oh my God, it's coming to us. Usually the black cats around here run away as soon as you get near them. No, this one lets us touch it.
That's unique.
And yeah.
Want to make a fantasy film with me next time you record a video? Because it's going to be called The Stuff.
Oh yeah, sure. You should check it out.
This is the trailer.
Actually, not really. This ain't the
We're
trailer.
going to make the trailer next time. And yes, this cat is in the trailer.
If we
Butthole!
you
I'm gonna
wow.
race!
Your turn.
That means I win because I caught it.
Yeah, right. And
Look, the cat. It's mocking the bird.
he's trying to catch it.
Did you see it mocking the bird?
Yeah. Or, well,
Cecil, queso.
Mini Panther and Wild Ches.
Cheeseburger. Hey Jimmy, remember when you used to say cheeseburger before you went to school?
Well, I actually called it back in 2020. Well, I actually called it that in 2022 and 2023 as a joke. That was
Kind of pathetic.
Yeah, but also not that bad. Bird. It flew like a rock.
I mean, they do go pretty high and then bump.
Yep. Not very far. And I think he's doing his business.
What is he doing? Bro, stop mocking.
No, I think he's pooping. Yeah.
Yep, he was pooping all night. That is definitely green poop. His poop was green.
Yeah. Like the plants and grass. And swallow-dee-dee-dee-la.
Hey, want to see the trailer for the movie, guys?
Later.
Okay.
We'll make it tomorrow, and then we'll film it. And then I'll film it. This and
Put
then
it
we'll-
through CapCut and put some fairy dust every time we get near the enchanted forest, aka the giant wood pile.
And this, guys, it's a leak to our newest movie. Leaked by ourselves.
And then, next thing you know, we see some sort of magical log.
Pathetic.
Entered the forest.
Yep.
It doesn't look like any other log. This log, it doesn't look like any other log. It is not right.
Pathetic. That was pathetic. That was literally the definition of pathetic. Maybe if I use my left hand. I'm left-handed. Whoa!
And it's stuck again.
Alright, well, it just landed. Just landed there.
It feels like that log.
I think Prince found a new place.
Wait, don't go in there. I nearly died by the pixie dust fumes.
Yeah, oh look.
Again. Ah!
Oh! Holy crap! Cow.
What did you see?
Red Hornet?
Scary.
Yeah.
Dang, bro.
What is Prince doing? Bird.
What if Prince starts pooping right as you're about to step right there?
I don't know. It would be wild. And kind of gross. Yeah, your turn. Okay. Oh, that was actually kind of good.
Bird, look.
Yes!
It's mocking. Did you see? It was mocking the bird again.
He's trying to get it.
Hey, Jenny, I dare you to pick him up and bring him to the bird.
Yeah. This bird would just run away.
What if the bird was so chill that we could just grab it and bring it to the kitty's head?
Birdie.
No, Prince!
What the? Hey,
Don't go in
Prince.
that hole. It contains dark magic. What is he doing? What is he eating?
I don't know. I do not know.
Is he eating the bark?
Anyways, yeah. Let's get back to what. Alright, I wonder what happens if I just do it backwards.
Oh, that was actually pretty good. Not bad.
It's reversible. All right, backwards. In. It's clearly not meant to do that because it just goes. It just goes. Whoosh. Oh, bird. Bird.
The bird side-eyed me.
Bird.
Ow!
Oh, it's
It
low.
literally went near the cat food. I'm sacrificing my shirt right now. Hey Jimmy, I'm sacrificing my shirt.
Don't do that. Yeah. He went meow. He went meow. He went wow. He went meow.
Anyways, back to the movie trailer.
Actually, no, we're gonna do that in a separate video.
Yeah, I think I was just spoiling the trailer.
Whoa! Holy cow! It almost landed in the trees. It almost landed in the trees. It almost landed in the stinking trees. Holy cow! Hit. Good egg.
It's my turn.
Alright. That was pathetic.
I'm using all my energy, okay? It's a hot day.
It's not that hot anymore.
Wait, did that hit the camera?
No. But it was crazy that you threw it at me. You went like.
Did it like actually hit you?
No. It landed in front of me, but not very close. And the. Oh, it flew past you. Oh, two birds.
Birdie!
It's running away from you. Hey, it's at the highest peak of the roof.
Down here! Down here! All the way down here! Right in front of you! Right and down!
Cat.
Down! Look down! Look down!
It hates you.
Wait! It got busted instead of recording.
I'm pretty sure the street light's about to turn on. Cause I mean,
First Light trailer.
do da do da da do do. VR bass, like bass drum.
Me when I
BASS.
First Light coming up. Here's the bit of the trailer.
Landed right there. I threw it that way and it landed there. Goofy!
Oh!
These streetlights about to turn on soon.
Look! He's coming for you! Oh!
Okay.
Friends, come back! Where'd
Okay, well, okay, bye, Prince. Okay, bye, Prince. See you tomorrow. Just let him go his own way.
I saw an ant. I saw an ant. Oh my god.
Yeah, I know, right?
That is the definition of
Cat.
pathetic.
Kitty. Lights turning on soon.
Here's a trailer for first light.
Yeah. Oh, all right, it's premiering soon. I just know. Because it's getting...
Soon.
We'll check back with you when it turns on. Let me just holler when it turns on. Whoa! Cat. You should have seen how fast.
Yeah, I'm doing a premiering song from YouTube.
All right. Yeah, it's probably gonna be in a few minutes. There's Kitty. Kitty coming. Ew. Ugh. Whoa! Oh my god. Okay, where did it go? Oh. Ah, there it is. Whoa. Okay, it's gotta be turning on soon because that light's on. And usually turns on precisely 97 seconds before the light on. It turns on. It's turning on? No, but almost there. Guys, it's coming. Cicadas getting loud. It's coming soon. I'll just speed it up. And oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh my god! It's starting!
Yeah, the street light. Yeah. Yeah, this is a sodium vapor light.
What the heck?
And yeah.
You shouldn't expose what our city is. It's actually crack.
It's a sodium vapor lamp,
Oh my
which
God,
takes.
why is it green?
I don't know. On video it is, but yeah, in real life it's actually
Now it's
white.
yellow.
Yeah,
Oh, what the heck?
in real life it's more white.
Yeah, and the sky is definitely lighter than that.
Anyways, yeah.
The Sauce Destroyer must start striking on the electronics right now.
No.
I'm going inside.
All right, see ya. It's yellow on camera, but more orange. More orange in real life. But yeah. A bird on top of it. Sky's way lighter. Anyways, yeah. Well, video's ending soon. I got one member quit. Still 2 members. Just me and Prince. And there's some fire trucks. So, yeah. I'm gonna do a few more runs and then I'm going inside. Mosquitoes are eating me up. There's probably a fire somewhere. Yeah, I'm getting devoured by mosquitoes. So yeah. 2 more runs. Then I'm going inside. 1 and 2. Well, anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and bye.